Do you dream of being part of Nollywood? Want to see your name roll in the credits? Do you want to act, direct, or work behind the scenes on blockbuster films? Well, guess what? You don't need super connections, and you don't need to be born into fame. What you need is the right strategy. Today I'll be giving you what I call 5x5 formula, the ultimate game plan on how to break into Nollywood is. 5 reasons why Nollywood is accessible, 5 steps to get in, and 5 mistakes to avoid at all costs. Stick around, this could change your life. Hello Nollywood dreamers, welcome back to the King Omoefe TV. Welcome to my channel. So if you're watching this for the first time, you're probably asking yourself, how do I break into Nollywood, or how do I make a name for myself? Well, today I've got answers for you. I've got the ultimate blueprint for you. It's what I call the 5x5 formula. 5 reasons why Nollywood is easier to break into than you think. 5 key moves you need to make, and 5 mistakes to avoid so it won't hold you back. So if you ever dream of stepping into the world of Nollywood, this is your moment. Stick around because I'm about to show you what will change your life. Okay, so this segment I'll be dealing on 5 reasons why I said Nollywood is very accessible. 1. Nollywood is huge. Nollywood produces over 2,500 movies every year. That means that there's room for everyone. Call it actors, directors, screenwriters, makeup artists, cinematographers, the list goes on. Number 2 is the digital age. You don't have to wait for a big producer to discover you anymore. Social media has changed a lot. It's a game changer. I guess you heard of Mr. Macaulay and the others online, how they started as doing funny skits online, and today they are big. They're working with elite stars, working in Nollywood big blockbusters and all that. They're also massive on Instagram, YouTube and all that. So you can add that as what you can use to build yourself as an actor or as a content creator. Number 3, diverse opportunities. Like I said, you can go into acting, you can produce, you can go directing, you can do editing, you can do lighting, makeup. The list goes on. There's something for everyone. Even if you don't want to be on the camera, or you still you can start to be behind the scenes. So if you don't want to be behind the camera, you can be behind the scenes. Right? There are a lot of things that you can do, costume, makeup, welfare, a lot that you can do. So there are diverse opportunities in Nollywood. Number 4, training and development. You have to train and develop yourself. There are a lot of workshops that are holding everywhere, from the Kula Flyers training to Mabudu's training to Bola Peters training, to a lot of platforms that have been created, even from Lagos State government. A lot of government created a lot of platforms that you can go. You're going to even have the Yaba Tech Film Academy there, and also of course we have Heritage Film Academy, Film Academy. So there are a lot of places that you can learn the trade or the skills of acting or filmmaking. So training and development is abound all over the place. Even the National Film Institute, there are a lot of film schools that are around the country and Nollywood that you can learn from. You can also learn on the job, right? You can learn on the job. So there's a platform for you to grow and to create for new talent to come to the industry. So like I said, a lot of those places, platforms are abound, even at the film festivals and all that, that you can sign up, learn the craft, start building your own career and build your own content and all that. So that's just so. For number 5, the Nigerian spirit. Nigerians, we don't give up. The hustle spirit is why Nigeria is not only one of the biggest film industry in the world today, right? If you have resilience, you are consistent, you have passion, you will find your way in. Right? With the Nigerian spirit, will always work for us anywhere in the world. So Nollywood is not an exception, right? No, it's not an exception at all. You can, as long as you have the passion, you have the strength, you have the stamina, you have resilience, like I said, you can always go. So the Nigerian spirit is the one that makes us, that I can say that you will always prosper. in Nollywood. So let's go to the next segment, which basically are 5 tips for breaking into Nollywood or how you can get into Nollywood. First will be to build your network. So Nollywood is all about who you know. So attend film festivals, go to industry, meet industry people, put yourself out there. Anywhere you hear they're doing things, even if you're just an industry person that's doing the birthday or in housewarming or the meet and greet or something or at cinema, you just build a network, meet with people and relate and of course expand and get to know them, exchange your numbers and exchange of course exchange your cards and whatever you need to just have that just build your network naturally. Your next role might just be coming from a conversation at an event. So show up and connect. So number two reason is that you master a craft, right? If you want to act or take acting classes, go to drama school, go to film school. If you want to go into directing or cinematography, study filmmaking. Talent is great, but skill is what got you noticed, right? So you must study, learn filmmaking, go to acting class, acting coaching and all that, and then of course build your skill and hone it and all that, so that the skill will get you noticed. Number three, start small or think big. No, fun fact, a lot of big Nollywood stars that you see today started small. People like Zoe Michael, Miss Johnson, a lot of them, name them, they were all, they played very small at the beginning, but they started small and their thinking was quite big and see where they are today. So don't wait for a lead role, take what you can get and build from there, right? So if you're given a small role and you do very well from that small role, people will notice you and from there you can become one of the biggest stars that we have in Nollywood. So tip number 4, use your social media advantage, right? Like I said, your Instagram is your portfolio, your TikTok is your audition tape. Nollywood as scouts are everywhere watching, put out your best work, right? TikTok. Not that you go there and be screen burning face and all that. Do something good on TikTok. Of course, your Instagram page, put good pictures, good shot, good acting skills, monologues and all that. Just upload them there. People will always see them. Casting directors are all about going to places and checking some of this stuff and all that, right? So use to your advantages. There's even platform on Instagram, castingcalls.ng. It's a platform where you can exhibit and you can see spaces for audition notice and casting calls. You can take it from there, you can join them, you can join communities and all that. You can join their community. I know they have their community, you can join their community and you can grow for it. So basically, use your social media influence, use it to your advantage. A lot of people just go there and do rubbish and do things that are not supposed to be, that are unbecoming. But I will always advise and use it to your advantage. Put nice acting clips, put nice monologues, put nice pictures and stuff there. You can never tell whoever is watching. Of course, even if you mention your Instagram handle or your social media handle, casting directors and directors, they'll go through your page and look through and see what you're all about. And so if you have something good there, you see, of course, you might just get a call up, right? So tip number 5 would be consistent, right? You may just land a major, you might not land a major role today, but if you keep improving on your skill, improving on your craft, your time will surely come. Consistency is the real secret to success. Right? I know people will say, I don't do that, I don't go work out audition tire, I don't go a lot of places and audition and casting the mapping. No, be consistent. Keep doing what you have to do, right? You might never tell when it will come. Like I said, consistency is the recipe to success. Okay, so like I said, I hope you guys are following up. If you have any questions, any comments, just go to the comment section and just put your comments and all that. I will respond to them. I can take it from there. If you need more explanation, I'll definitely be available to explain to you. Right. So now we move on to segment number 3, which is 5 mistakes people make. 1, relying too much on luck. Don't rely too much on luck. Luck helps, but it's not the strategy. Don't just wish for opportunities, create them. Don't just say, I'm sitting in my house, I want to come and call me. And you're not even going for auditions, you're not going for casting calls, you're not going for industry, you're not going to film festival. No, you're relying on luck. My dear, you will sit in your, like they say, you're about bed. So don't just wish for opportunities, create them. Number two, lack of preparation, right? Nothing kills an actor faster in audition than when you're unprepared, right? Know your lines, react, come ready. Come ready to impress, right? So let people just know right from the beginning you're getting into audition ground and casting ground. People say, "Oh, this guy is good." In fact, making you talk, letting you speak. What was it speak and just be prepared, right? Come ready prepared. Dress nice, look nice, be comfortable in whatever you're wearing, and just be ready. Come ready, like the Boy Scout motto will say, be prepared. Just come ready to impress. Tip number three, ignoring the power of networking. Ignoring the power of networking is one major mistake that we do. If you're not networking, you're missing a lot. 80% of the opportunities you're missing them. Network, Nollywood is a community, it's a networking system. Plug yourself in. Anyhow, just plug yourself in. Like I said, meet and greet at cinemas, wherever you get producers and directors, they are doing things, that even if it's just birthday party or anything, just meet up, network. You can never underestimate the power of networking. Tip number four on mistakes that people make: impatience. Right? You won't become a superstar overnight, trust me. It is not going just wake up one and become superstar. No. Legends like the great R&B, Genevieve, Brantinoa, it took years for them to build their career. And they were patient and they keep pushing. You think they just wake up and they just became the R&B that you see today? No. Or Brantinoa or Genevieve, they worked towards it. It was a deliberate plan. They worked toward, they worked on their craft and they built on their brand image. So you must be patient and walk through the whole system so you can get through up there. I tell you, if you do this, the sky they say it's not just your limit, it's a stepping stone. If you have any questions, any comments, anything you want to explain, go to my comment section and we'll take it from there. It's a community we want to we have a good network, right? So tip number five, thinking you know it all. Nollywood is evolving daily. Stay humble, keep learning, and be open to feedback. That's how you grow, right? The best actors or best filmmakers they never stop learning, right? So when you go for auditions or you go to places and you feel that I know it all, who be the people and all that. I see people sometimes they come for auditions or they come for industry event. They come with that air of I know it all and I mean big parts. Who are the people there? I remember years ago when we were starting off as directors, people who came after Ajara, the next generation they came and said, who be the people, what they sabi do and all that. But at the end of the day, when they came, they know that you need to be patient, you need to be humble, you need to put yourself down. Even if you know a lot, there's somebody who knows more than what you know. So don't ever fall into that mistake. It's very important. So thank you. Those are 5 steps of mistake that you avoid. You should never make at all, right? If you fall yourself into any of those traps, please retreat your step back and all that. You're gonna get so the best you never stop learning. All right, dream chasers, my Nollywood people. That's your Nollywood starter pack. And it's a wrap. If you find the tips that I just shared today are helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend or someone who you think needs it or who wants to hear it. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what role you dream of playing in Nollywood.